Hello friends and welcome to my channel. My name is Allie. We do hauls, recipes, vlogs, crafts. Tonight we're going to be in the kitchen. We're going to do barbecue chicken and macaroni and cheese. If some of the videos you're interested in, give it a thumbs up so you see some more from our channel, and consider subscribing. We're going to start off with the macaroni and cheese, and that's going in the crock pot. This recipe calls for a whole stick of butter, and I'm putting that in first. I have already turned on the crock pot. I'm going to get that nice and melty while I get everything else ready. I already started the noodles on the stovetop, and I only boiled them for about 5 minutes because I know they're going to finish cooking in this crock pot. Going in next with a whole can of evaporated milk. This recipe calls for 3 eggs, so I'm stirring those up right now. I'm going to add that to the noodles and the evaporated milk and the butter. Next, I'm going to take the help from my cheese shredder, I guess you can call this little contraption. I don't know, it makes for fast work. I love it. So I'm going to do a half a block of Monterey Jack and a half a block of the extra sharp cheddar. Okay, everything's in the crock pot. So now you can either put this on low for 4 hours or high for 2 hours. I'm gonna do low for 4 hours and I'm gonna stir as I go. What spice is that?
That's Weber kicking chicken.
All right, Weber's kicking chicken. This mac and cheese is so good. It's so good. I just added some salt and pepper. We just tasted it. We have it completely off now. We're just keeping it warm. It's so good. Oh, y'all, that macaroni and cheese, I don't think I can make it any other way. It's so good. It's so good.
Trim the brown prawns from the queen palms that were hanging because of the storm coming tomorrow. I don't need them to break off and fly into something.
Okay. They have a lot to burn. Oh, that's going to be good. I can smell it.
Oh, it's flaring up.
Oh, God. Beer to the rescue.
Beer to the rescue.
Grilled hot dogs. The German hot dogs from Aldi, right?
Mm-hmm. Natural casing. There it is. Good.
Chadink.